Assalamu alaikum. This is MD Monirul Islam. I am working in Army Medical College Chattogram as a librarian. I completed my graduation and first graduation in Information Science and Library Management from the University of Dhaka. Subsequently, I have been awarded an MPhil degree from the same university in 2019. I am very pleased to be a part of Python for Research course conducted by the BRBD platform, and we have completed the first phase of this course very successfully. I think the course curriculum, lectures and presentations of the first phase were so nice and conducted very nicely, and we all participants enjoyed the session perfectly and pleasantly. I am very grateful to the BRBD platform for giving me the chance to participate this outstanding course. My cordial thanks to the mentor of this course, MD 𝘂𝘂𝘀 sir, and special thanks to the 𝘔𝘂𝘂𝘀𝘏 sir for his outstanding class lectures. BRBD platform already emerged as a beacon for young and promising researchers, overcoming the fear of research, creating the research-friendly environment. The BRBD platform is creating the pathway for the researchers. So I think the BRBD platform in near future will be a great platform all over the world for young researchers, young professionals, and dynamic researchers. We know that the research success depends on data processing, data analyzing, and visualization. Python is the popular and most essential research tool for research purpose activities, and we hope as a research student this course will make us adept in data processing, data analyzing and visualization.